What's up everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I made an adorable chocolate bouquet using Dollar Tree products. Now of course, a ton of people have done this before. This is just my version of a chocolate bouquet. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, don't forget to click that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I do a ton of DIYs and nail videos, and let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so I'm going to start off with this vase from Dollar Tree, and I got this in the Valentines section, and I'm going to spray paint the outside, and I'm going to do this with very light coats. You can also just swirl acrylic paint on the inside and let it drip if you don't want to spray paint, but I thought this was a lot easier. By the way, I'm doing this indoors because it is snowing and it is well ventilated, so make sure that if you're doing it indoors, you have some breathing room. Once it is completely dry and fully coated, I'm going to go ahead and decorate the outside. So I use these heart doilies from the Dollar Tree, and what I did was grab some Mod Podge, which I also purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I covered the entire hearts, making sure to get all of the edges and the middle. So once it is fully covered, I just went ahead and pressed it onto my vase and made sure to press it in really well to get all of those little air pockets out. So once all the air pockets are out, I went over with my Mod Podge and covered the entire thing. I didn't do the whole vase, just around the doily. So once that's dry, I went ahead and put a piece of floral foam on the inside, and with this Dollar Tree fern, I just added a few pieces just to give my arrangement a nice green base. So you can arrange it how you want, and now we're going to move on to the chocolate hearts. And these are chocolates from Dollar Tree. I think they are so cute. And what I did was grab these roses also from the Dollar Tree. I also used this low temp glue gun. This was $3 at Walmart, and you want to make sure it's low temp so the chocolate doesn't melt. Then I just pulled apart the rose and glued the chocolate right to the center. That way you can still reuse the rose afterwards. So the best part about this is that if you don't like the placement of the chocolate, you can always just twist it around, and it is strong enough to hold all of the chocolate pieces. I'm also going to use these skewers. You can use the bottom and glue chocolate on, or you can actually just stick one on to the pointy part. So now I'm going to go ahead and place my bouquet right inside. The first one, I'm just going to make sure it's a little taller than the second bouquet because I did end up doing two. And then the second one, I'm just going to put that right in front and keep arranging my flowers until I like the placement. I did go ahead and add some more of the fern, and these steps are totally optional. So once I got everything where I wanted, I went ahead and added my little skewer chocolates to add some more detail. And now I picked up these tinsel hearts from Dollar Tree. These I did have to cut down with wire cutters, and I just placed them randomly in the bouquet to give it a little bit more of a pop of color. So once I had placed them all in there, I used this engagement ring from the Dollar Tree. You can glue this onto a skewer, but I just placed it lightly on top. And that's it. I have a lovely Valentine's bouquet. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Till next time.